Welcome back to everyone. So class, before starting this class, I'm going to ask you a question. How many of you love to play games? Yes, I know we all do that, isn't it? Games खेलना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता? So, what we are going to do in today's EVS class? We are going to see which are the different games we all can play. You know why we all like playing the games? What is the secret behind? Do anyone know that? Okay, I'll tell you. The secret is why we all playing games, why we all love playing games. Because this is the time when we are allowed. Nobody can stop you to play with your friend, to talk with them, to enjoy with them, isn't it? Friends के साथ खेलना, बातें करना, उनके साथ play करना, who don't love it? We all love it. So, playing time is the most memorable time when we enjoy with our friends, isn't it? जब आप स्कूल आते हो, आप उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्विंग्स में जाते हो, ग्राउंड में जाते हो, प्ले करते हो. Even when you are sitting inside the class, you play carrom boards, you play with your teaching aids where आप thread and bead से play करते हो. There are so many games that we all play. So in our today's EVS class, what we are going to do? We are going to understand about games. That some games we need to go out to play. कुछ गेम्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके लिए हमें ग्राउंड में जाना पड़ता है, हमें पार्क जाना पड़ता है. लाइक वी हैव स्विंग्स, स्लाइड्स, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, साइकिलिंग. यू ऑल एंजॉय साइकिलिंग विद योर फ्रेंड्स. सो for cycling also you need to go out. But on the other hand, when the weather is not pleasant, जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती है, या when it is very hot outside and you can't go, then we have some indoor games so that you can keep enjoying your time with your friends, with your family, with your parents. So the indoor games are like carrom board, ludo, snakes and ladder, chess, cards, video games, isn't it? There are so many games that we play inside, and on the other part, so many games that we can play outside our home. So let us quickly see which are the games, and after this class, you all are going to share me which is your favorite game and with whom you like to play it. Okay? Then let's begin with the work quickly. So class, let's see which are the different indoor and outdoor games that we all love to play with our friends, family and neighbors, brother, sister, everyone. Let's begin. Before moving towards the game, let us first understand what is the importance of playing games. See class, games खेलना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, as it is important to do your work, to listen to your parents, eat your food timely. Similarly, playing games is also very important. Why? It develops your brain. आपका जो brain है उसकी development के लिए, improves your intelligence. आपकी जो ब्रेन है वो शार्प होता है, यू बिकम मोर स्मार्ट, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग, यू थिंक इन अ डिफरेंट वे, इम्प्रूव. आप कैसे अपने फ्रेंड से बात करते हो, आप कितना पोलाइट होते हो. देन इट प्रमोट्स इमोशनल ग्रोथ, मीन्स दैट वेन एवर यू प्ले विद योर फ्रेंड्स, आप उनके साथ एक बॉन्ड बना लेते हो, इज़न्ट इट? फिर वो आपका फेवरेट फ्रेंड हो जाता है, आपको अच्छा लगता है उसके साथ जाना आना. Then social competency and empathy, again you get socialized. आप अपने आसपास के फ्रेंड्स को जानने लगते हो. You make your own friend circle. Then again for the physical growth आपको strong बनाता है and strengthen relationship with family. जब आप अपनी family friends के साथ time spend करते हो, again what happen? You feel more loved by them. Okay, so let's see which are the different games we have. So the first one we have is indoor games. We play inside the room or house. So which are the indoor games? Indoor मतलब घर के अंदर जिनको खेलते हैं. So which are those? Like we have snakes and ladder, सांप सीढ़ी, Ludo. We all love playing it. We have chess. Then we have Monopoly. It's a game related to money. Then we have Scribble. Scribble is one of my favorite where we make new different words. Then we have Carrom board, as I told you. Dart game. There is a dart board जिसको हम wall पे hang करते हैं. Then we throw these darts. Then playing cards, trump cards. Then Pachisi. Pachisi is also a very ancient game. I don't know many of you are aware of it, or not, but it's really very nice one. Then we have computer games, as I told you, video games. Then virtual video games, again the one which we play on TV or computer. Then toys. So we have some small toys, wooden toys, plastic toys with which we play inside our home. Building blocks, you all must be having them, isn't it? So we make so many different size of towers, then some different buildings using these blocks. Some of us try to make trains, isn't it? We make so many things using the blocks. And then we have, so this one is not for you. So class, we have so many games that we play inside our home, isn't it? So these are called indoor games. क्या कहते हैं हम इनको? We call them indoor games, जो घर के अंदर खेले जाते हैं. Understood? Now let's talk about outdoor games. So these are those games, those activities which we do outside in open ground. ये वो चीज़ें हैं, ये वो गेम्स हैं जो हम अंदर नहीं प्ले कर सकते. We have to go outside. Like we have football, roller skates, bicycle, flying your kite, enjoying the swings, then playing with basketball, playing a football again, throw ball. Then you have badminton, lawn tennis. There are so many. Cricket, you all love playing cricket, isn't it? So cricket भी play करना है तो बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, otherwise तो मम्मा डांट लगाएंगी. If things will break at home, कुछ भी गिर गया, टूट गया तो मम्मा ने तो लगानी है पिटाई, isn't it? So there are some games that we cannot play because they need a bigger space. अब bicycle है, आपको full big ground चाहिए चलाने के लिए. For playing football, you need a big ground, isn't it? Flying kite. It is always said, don't fly your kite on terrace. It is not safe. तो वो आपको open ground park में या nearby कोई बहुत बड़ा ground है, उसमें जाके kite fly करनी चाहिए. Again, if we talk of these swings, ये भी घर के बाहर होते हैं. School में भी आपने देखा होगा, swings are always kept in the ground, not in the classroom. So we have different games which we enjoy with our family, with our friends, but at different places. So one is outdoor, the one which we play outside the house, and the other one is indoor, the one we play inside our home, inside the room. Clear everyone? So as I told you, after this you all are going to tell me which is your favorite game and with whom you love playing them. And what are the good things we have with playing games? They help in developing our body, they help in developing our mind, they help in making new friends, increasing our communication and vocabulary skills, and making a love bond with our family members and friends. Okay? I hope you have understood our today's work. Today we have learnt about indoor and outdoor games. So class, keep enjoying your learning. Bye-bye for now. Take care. Meet you soon again.